If you're like me and you've had a Citi Golf for a number of years, you'll discover that there are a few common reoccurring problems, door handles being one of them. If your door handle gets tired and you're battling to open it from the outside, simplest is to buy a new handle and replace it yourself. They're quick and easy to replace, and I'll show you how now. We begin by prying off this strip. Comes off quite easily. You then need to unscrew the screws. There's 2 screws. The second screw is on the inside of the door. You can see it over there. You need to pull back this rubber and stick your screwdriver through the gap. Unscrew the screw. You now unclip this handle. We take the spacers, this part here and this piece over here, from the old handle, put it onto the new handle, put the handle back into place, put the screw back in, we now put the screw back in on the inside. This is a bit of a fiddly job. You could remove the rubber completely, but mine is quite tight. So I just pull it out. Stick the screw back into place and tighten it up. We put the decorative trim in place. I didn't do such a good job there, bent it a little bit too much. And your door should be good to go.